So, where do we like to go on holiday?
Telford.
Telford. Love going to Telford. Lots of open spaces, lots of places to walk, loads of parks, shops, eateries, and everything.
On your doorstep.
It's on your doorstep, type of thing, and everything is very accessible when it comes to the blind and stuff like that.
You haven't had any issues, although you've not been ice skating and looking like that, the ice skating rink is there. Obviously, if you've got a guide with you, that's going to be absolutely fine, isn't it?
Yeah.
You've got temping bowling, again, guide with you will help you know if you're bowling in the right direction, isn't it? Unless you're like Paul, you've got partial sight in which you can see okay. The park, as he said, loads of walking around there. There's a zoo there.
Loads of walking.
It's a small zoo. It'll take you half an hour to go around. It's just long enough. It's lovely. Like I said, massive precincts.
And there's wild walks where you can just walk out of the town a little bit into the woods and that. But everything's nice, clear paths. Not much in the way of trip hazards and stuff like that.
Every eatery you can imagine, from all your posh ones like Five Guys and TFI Friday to your Hungry Horse to your Wetherspoons to your Greg's. Brilliant.
Yeah.
Absolutely lovely. We go there all the time, don't we?
It's all fairly flat as well.
Yeah.
There's a couple of places where you have to walk up some stairs and that maybe, but relatively it's all on a flat footing.
Car parking's got lifts in the multi-storey, or if you stay in the Travelodge, they've got disabled parking bays right next door.
Yeah.
So we go, don't we, in the Travelodge.
Yeah.
Beautiful views from the Travelodge over the park, which is a big lake. There's loads of wildlife on there as well.
Yeah.
Lovely. Telford or cruises? You'd like to know about a cruise?